Mercedes-Benz brand centre is located in Dubai Design District, which is a creative hub in the centre of Dubai. We were really trying to connect the Mercedes-Benz brand, which is a globally recognised, well-respected, desired and much-loved brand, with the region of Dubai. We had a lot of freedom in that sense, and we looked at a lot of patterns and textures and shapes and screening that it's really seen in traditional buildings here. Mercedes-Benz brand centre is the first brand centre in the world of its kind that connects a car showroom to all different genres of activities. For example, exhibition space, art space, offices, F&B, kind of almost like a museum space as well. And what they were really trying to do is create an aspirational lifestyle. So it's not only about the car, it's about what does Mercedes-Benz stand for. So it's not just a car showroom. There are so many aspects to the building, and the exhibition spaces and the things that they will be doing there are constantly changing on a weekly and a monthly basis. So it's something that, you know, it never tires. There's always something new to see. Lighting can make or break a project. For an architect, we spend all of our hours and days and nights creating a building, and that building has to be beautifully lit. That can either the lighting and the synergy between the lighting designer and the architect, you know, has to be really, really beautiful and harmonious, because that space takes on a completely different experience and a completely different feeling at night. And it's one that you want to create that's in the same ethos and, you know, connected with those same core values as well for the client, and the kind of spatial experience and the aesthetic. So lighting is as important as, you know, as the building itself. We were again very lucky, you know, being the lead consultant, that we had the opportunity to work with brands such as Souci and to connect brands that have the same core values and the same connection to craftsmanship, the same quality, as well as Mercedes itself. So we loved that co-branding. What we loved about the lighting in particular was how ethereal it is. So Mercedes-Benz, their core ethos is sensual purity, and I think this light sums up sensual purity perfectly. I think that there is so much about sustainability that we just don't see when we walk in. We see the luxury, we see the aspiration, we see the beautiful fixtures and fittings, but all of them have actually been chosen to meet certain sustainability requirements.